Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro finished in graphite dust. It is powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with automatic transmission. This Kombi stands out with 20-inch Leighton alloy wheels, Cobra lowering springs, a front splitter, side skirts and a rear spoiler, giving it a distinctive and sporty appearance. Power adjustable heated and folding mirrors provide everyday convenience, while automatic headlight control enhances visibility. The Premium Plus parking package includes a 360 degrees camera system, supported by front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring effortless. Practicality is equally impressive, with a rear tailgate providing access to the load area and twin side sliding doors offering easy entry to the passenger compartment. Inside, the style interior trim creates a premium feel, while the rear bench seats 3 passengers with the centre seat folding down to reveal integrated cup holders and storage. The rear windows also have blinds. In the front, the heated electric seats and generous cabin storage, including a dedicated glasses or sunglasses compartment, enhance everyday comfort. Technology includes a camera rear-view mirror, a wireless phone charging pad, and a heated leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, giving the driver easy access to features such as adaptive cruise control and a predictive speed limiter for relaxed long-distance driving. The media system gives you access to DAB digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and you can make the most of the navigation system, as well as adjust your climate controls and view the 360 degrees camera system. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 Leighton Kombi Conversion Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.